Hello dear students, this is the first video of this week, class 8, and today you will learn about networking concepts, chapter number 8. Okay, and you can see in the previous class I have discussed about app development using free software, which is AppyPie. So you have learned how you can develop an app and how you can develop the software according to your choice. Now, today you will learn about these topics: introduction to networking. Second, you will learn about advantages of a computer network. And third, I will give introduction to network components, which is network, transmission media, and network software. So it will be network hardware, network components. Three components are there. First one is network hardware, second transmission media, and third one network software. So coming to the first point, introduction to networking. A computer network is a system of interconnected computers and peripheral devices that are linked in order to share resources such as printers, exchange of files, and allow communication. It can be interconnected computers and peripheral devices which can be interconnected in a network. Okay. Now you can see the picture of a networking devices. You can see there are many client computers and these computers are connected to a server through this device. This device is known as switch, and these computers are connected to the switch, and ultimately it is connected to the server computer. And not only client computers are connected, printer is also connected to the switch. You can see a modem is also connected to the switch, and wireless router is also connected to the switch. So switch is a device which can connect many different computing device. Okay, and you can see this modem is ultimately connected to the internet. And what is the use of router? Router, it is used to connect different devices through wireless media. Okay, you can turn on the Wi-Fi and you can connect these devices through router. Now coming to the next topic, advantages of a computer network. The following advantages of a are computer network are the following advantage of a computer network are: first one, ease of communication; second, sharing of resources, either it can be hardware or software. Okay, sharing of hardware resources, sharing of software resources. And the next one is data sharing. These all are the advantages of a computer network. So first, coming to ease of communication. Communication is about the transfer of information from a sender across a distance to a receiver. Suppose I am sending message from my computer and you are getting a message in your computer, so I will become a sender and you will become a receiver. Computer networks allow people to communicate with each other by exchanging messages and information. Through computer networks, we can exchange our information from one computer to another. Okay. And next point, they can enjoy the benefit of emails, instant messaging. In WhatsApp, what is there? You are using instant messaging. One person has sent you the message. At the same time, within a second, you will get the message and you can check your message. These are emails and instant messaging. WhatsApp gives the facility of instant messaging. Emails also give the facility of instant messaging. But in some emails are not some emails are not come at the same time. Okay, it will take some times, like it will reach after 10 seconds or 15 seconds, and some emails are reached at the same time. Next, telephony, video conferencing and chat rooms. These are the advantages of internet. By using network, by using internet, okay, we can do video conferencing, we can do instant messaging, etc. Now, next point, you can see sharing of resources. Second advantage of network is sharing of resources. So three types of resource sharing, it can be classified into three types. First one is hardware resources, sharing of hardware resources. Second one, sharing of software. And third is sharing of data sharing. So now we will come to the point, first point, sharing of hardware resources. You can see one of the important advantage of networking is the ability to share hardware. What kind of hardware? It can be printer, it can be your hard disk space. These can be shared through networks. For example, a printer can be shared among the users in a network so that there is no need to have individual printers for each and every computer in a company, and this will reduce the cost of purchasing hardware. Suppose there is only one printer in a company and there are 10 computers. So that single printer can be connected to all the computers. No need to purchase individual printers for separate computers. Okay, only one printer can be connected to all the computers, and you can have all the works by a single printer only. So this will ultimately reduce the cost of purchasing hardware. You can see one printer is connected to a server computer, and these all are client computers which is connected to the server. So if the client third person, if the person who is sitting on the second or third computer or any client computer, he wants to print something, so he will connect to the server computer and gives the request that I want to print this page. Okay, he will share his page to the server that this page should be printed. Now with the help of server computer, it will be, the file will be copied, the client computer's file will be copied to server computer and it will be printed. Okay, now next point, sharing of software. Users can share software within a network very easily. Now, networkable versions of softwares are available at considerable lower price compared to individually licensed version of the same software. Suppose you have purchased a software to work upon your personal computer, it will cost more in comparison to the software which is used for network versions. Okay. Therefore, large companies can reduce the cost of buying softwares by networking their computers. Suppose there is a large organization and hundreds of computers need some software to work upon. Okay, so the company can buy a networkable version of the software so that that software can be installed on each and every computer of that company at a very lower price as compared to the individual computer. Okay, and not only that, only a single software can be installed on the server computer and it can be shared to the client computers. Okay, no need to install the software on the client computer. Only one software can be installed on the server computer and that software can be distributed among different client computers. Okay, so that the client can work upon that software only. Understood? Now, coming to the figure, you can see these figures, sharing of softwares. You can see very good picture. This is very good pictures. Okay, it is demonstrating one computer is sharing the files, sharing the software to another computer. Okay, this is also another figure for software sharing of software. Now Dropbox is one of the applications on which you can store your softwares or different files, and that software or file can be shared to many people. Okay, you can share the link of that software or you can share the link of that file to different computers, or you can share the links to different persons. Now you can see data sharing. What is the meaning, definition, and its explanation? What is data sharing? People can find and share information and data because of networking. This is beneficial for large organizations to maintain their data in an organized manner and facilitate access for desired people. Now, there is a difference between data and information. I will tell you what is the difference. You can see when I say that, let me explain. Let me explain it. Suppose when I say Ram 10, 8 and Patna. So these are different words. You don't understand what is the meaning of these all different words. But when I say Ram, who is a student of New Era High School, whose roll number is 10 and he reads in class 8, okay, and he lives in Patna. So it has some meaning. So the data which has some meaning, it is turned into information. The data which has some specific meaning, it will be called as an information. Okay, it will be termed as information. So now you have understood the difference between data and information. Now you can coming to this point, data sharing. So it is saying people can find and share information and data because of networking. With the help of networking, we can share our data and information, and this is beneficial for large organizations to maintain their data in an organized manner and facilitate access for desired people. A database is a system where data is stored in an organized form, and we can store all the data in a centralized database, okay, so that there is no duplication of data on the network. So this is the great benefit of database, okay, and we can share our data to different computers through database. Now you can see one computer data can be transferred to another computer. This is called sharing of data. It can be your text data, pictures, videos, or anything. Okay, it can be transfer of software also. You can see we can share the data through many things. Okay, we can share one computer data to another computer through a LAN wire. Okay, we can also share through wireless media. We can share our data through Google Drive, or we can use Dropbox, or we can use cloud sharing platforms. Okay, these are the pictures of data sharing, related to data sharing. Sharing of resources means it consists of all the things: sharing of hardware, sharing of software, and sharing of data also. Now you can see the next point. A network sharing can be a computer resource. It can be a computer resource made available from one host to other host on a computer network. It is a device or a piece of information on a computer that can be remotely accessed from another computer. The data can also be remotely accessed from another computer. Suppose a person who is sitting in Delhi, he can access your computer. You are sitting in Patna and a person is sitting in Delhi. The person who is sitting in Delhi, he can access your computer through remote access. Okay, there are some software which helps in remote accessing. Okay. Some examples of shareable resources are computer programs, data, storage devices, and printers, etc. Now, you can see in the next class, we will discuss upon the topic network components. There are three types of network components. First one is network hardware. It will be network hardware. Second one is transmission media, and third one is network software. Okay. So we will discuss these topics in the next video, students. Network components is network hardware, then transmission media and network software. Okay, I think you all have understood all the topics in this video. So thanks for watching this video, children. Okay, bye. Bye everyone.